Sorry. So hello all. So I hope you are doing well, because you know the COVID situation is not good. So stay safe first of all, because everything else is like secondary. Because why I am saying this, because I lost my father last year, not because of COVID, because of something else. So maybe I will talk with you about that in some video, but I am not ready at this point, obviously. So I'm not. Even this room is also my father's. Previously I used to do in a small boat. That is my room, sorry. So I am not able to accept that fact that he is still no more, so etc. So that's why I am telling you to be safe, because you know the situation outside. So what you can do, you can watch the videos which you have taken, or self studying, because everything is online, I guess, or self study everything. Do your work and take breaks. Do if you are bored with your studies and all, just you can go to your terrace wearing a mask and go for a walk in your terrace only. So that I do. So you can do that, or you can watch some movies or series, or read books. Today is World Book Day, so I don't read books. That I don't know which book to read, and also I won't suggest you. So you can watch some series and all, so to take like a break from your studies. You cannot study the whole day, it's not possible, it's not humanly possible. So like this, because you are not able to go outside and meet your friends, you can video call with them sometime if they are working and you are studying. Because it was my situation, everyone else was working and I was the only one who was studying. So I used to call my friends, they used to call me on to check on me and etc. So you can do that. So be safe. So yesterday I told you I will make videos, but it wasn't possible. My phone was having lots of troubles. It was just getting on off. So I hope today is fine and I can make videos. So now we will see this question, these two questions actually. So these are all on trees, okay? Only binary and BSc questions we have done. AVL tree is still pending, we will do that. So now let's see the question here. 2007 2 marks question. So complete n-ary tree. You remember n-ary means either it will have n children or it will have 0 children, okay? So this was also given in the question. You don't I mean you should remember this, but still since it was given, I was just telling you, okay? So now this is also given. I is internal node. Internal node means other than leaf nodes, everything is internal node, okay? And leaf nodes means the last nodes which don't have any child of their own. So now we have to find what is n. So I have repeatedly told you to remember a formula, and that is L equals to I n minus 1 plus 1. I have told you to remember this formula. Without this formula you will not be able to answer this question, okay? Because how will you do 41 and 10 in a like in a tree? It's not possible. It's not, I don't know if it's possible for you, but it wasn't possible for me, and it's I don't know, it will take a hell a lot of time, and which will be a negative point for you. So let's see the question. So it was given L is 41, so put 41, I is 10. So L equals to I into n minus 1 plus 1. L is our leaf node, I is our internal node, n is n-ary tree, 0 or n children, minus 1 plus 1. So L is our 41, I is 10, n we have to find. Now it's very easy. 41 is equal to 10n minus 10 plus 1, or 41 10n minus 9. So 41 we take it here. So 41 plus 9 is equals to 10n. This is 50 is equals to 10n. So n equals to 50 by 10 is equals to 5. So 5 ary tree. So the answer will be 5. It wasn't NAT question, there were options given, I guess. So I have to find it out also. So answer is 5. So now let's look at this question. Don't get scared just because looking the question is big, but it is not, because I have told you this questions you have to find what is they are asking. Not you have to write this question, run the question, etc. You don't have to do that. You just have to find out what it is asking. the question, because options will be given obviously, and you have to find out which one is the correct option here. So now we have done one question on height of the tree. So this is obviously not height of the tree. I'll tell you. Let's see. So struct, cell, node, then structure within structure, etc. So now this is our function. What is? Let's see, the function is get value struct cell node start ptr. Ptr is as a structure pointer is created, a value is taken, just a value, not a static value, static value variable. Now if the pointer is not null, so the tree has something, the tree is not an empty tree. So now if pointer arrow left child is equals to null and pointer right child equals to null, then value will be incremented. What is this basically? So this is basically, let's say this is our tree, let's say this tree, it has left child equal to null. Null means you don't have anything in left child, so it has no left child, no right child, so the value will be incremented. So what this kind of nodes are called? This is leaf nodes. So when we encounter leaf nodes, the value was initially 0, the value will be incremented. So it is basically asking number of leaf nodes, but still let's see the question, let's see the whole program. Else value is equals to, if it is like this node, it has left child, so and means we have to evaluate the both the when both the let's say this logic is correct, then only we can say this value is incremented, or else we go to the else part of the if condition. So sorry, condition, I forgot the word, so condition. So this is what it is asking. So value will be incremented since it has left child and right child. Let's say here, let's say here it has only one child. Okay, so left child it has something, so this condition fails. Since it is and, we go else equals to value is equals to value plus, so value plus what we do, we go to the left child and we go to the right child. So left child we do here, see here nothing is in right child, so we don't have to do anything, just go to the left child. See here left child is there, so now again it is recursively calling the function. So we recursively call the function of left child. So now it is calling, it doesn't have a left child, a right child, so this condition will be true. So here it will be taken, not this. Okay, so here basically it is asking number of leaf nodes. So not number of nodes, because then you have to check every node. So not number of nodes. Number of internal nodes, no, because they are going at the end and checking if the left child and the right child is null, so only we will consider that. So it is not internal node, it is leaf node. And height of the tree we have already done in a previous question, where it was keyword was max of right child and left child, like this. So the keyword was we have to consider left child height and right child height, and whichever was higher we will take that, because that is our height of the tree, because maximum is our it may have like this, so we will take the maximum, left or right, either of it. So I hope this question is understandable, and this kind of question I already told you this may come, but don't get scared just by looking the question, just try to evaluate it. Don't go this structure and etc, don't waste time on this, just see the function part, like see once, like don't waste time creating a left node, right node, etc. So just see that once and do the function properly, see, check the parameters whatever they are asking, not asking, you have to evaluate. So this is it. Now we will move on to AVL tree. We have done till binary search tree, now we will AVL tree. So I hope you love this video. So if you have watched till this end and if you have loved it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get a regular update when I upload. So hopefully you love this video and tell me, see there are people who are asking me to make videos on this subject and that subject. Someone told me to make videos on COA, or if I can teach that person in personally, but it's not possible. I am making videos, I am doing data structure, after this I will do algorithm. So let's see. Thank you.